Hey everybody. Well, I finally got something in the mail. I have decided to put together some thank you cards. So when you buy any of my art, like these, you get a thank you card. I put some of these in there. Little, stickers and finding stuff you can use for journals or in your own art. Sorry about this. I do not have a stand for my phone. Anyway, these are the thank you cards. I had them made so one side's got a calendar and the other side has the thank you on it. So let's see how these look. If I can get them open. Some scissors. This would really be easier if I had a freaking phone holder. Starving artist over here, so can't really afford much. That's where you come in handy. If you guys would buy my art, I could afford more stuff. I have all my stuff, well, not all my stuff, a lot of the stuff I have on Etsy. And more on my Facebook pages, so I'll link all below. This is brutal. Cannot get this thing open. I'm like hermetically sealed here. Sheesh. I really don't want you to open these things, do I? This is from Vistaprint. They have a coupon on the front. Not exactly a web coupon, so I can't link it to you guys to use. And there we go. There's the front. Oh, they look good. All clear. Image looks good. And of course there's more plastic. Seriously, how much freaking plastic do you use here, people? We're supposed to be saving the environment. Alright, let's see the back. Alright, how you like that? It says, "Hey humans, I didn't like you had that cup on the table, so I made a fall. It was fun. Then I drank the water. You didn't feed me enough, so I pooped in your shoes. Fair. Meow. If I want to catch a mouse and gift it to you, you are to love me. Meow. Only pet me 3 times or I'll bite you. Love me, meow. Aren't I pretty? I want a treat. Pay attention to me or I'll poop outside my tray. Not time for bed, anti-human. Time to play. Meow. I like to climb up your curtains, but they're ripped. Get new ones. I want to go outside. Feed me. Play with me. Love me. Look how fast I can run. I can jump really high. Look at me. Love me, human. I love you." I thought that was cute. I made that, of course. And I put a calendar on there. Oh, it turned out pretty good. I was afraid that these would be too small to see. Well, it's good. So I will put these in here. Put this in here with this. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one person here. And this will be in with any art that you buy of mine. So thank you very much for watching. I'll put all the links below for all my shops and my Etsy. Thanks. Bye. Have a great day.